Welcome to our guide on creating a website in 2024. In this video, we're diving into the world of website building platforms. Gone are the days when you needed to be a coding expert to build a website. Now, with a variety of platforms available, creating a site is accessible to everyone. Let's start by looking at some popular website builders and their unique features. First up, we have Wix. Wix is known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It offers a wide range of customizable templates for different types of websites. Whether you're creating a blog, portfolio, or online store, Wix has you covered. Next, let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace is the go-to for aesthetically pleasing designs. Its templates are sleek and modern, perfect for artists and photographers. One of its standout features is the excellent quality of its mobile responsive designs. Moving on to WordPress. WordPress is a powerhouse in the website building arena. It's highly flexible and offers extensive customization through plugins. While it has a steeper learning curve, it's ideal for those who want more control over their site. Another notable platform is Shopify. Shopify is specifically designed for e-commerce websites. It provides robust tools to manage inventory, payments, and shipping. If you're planning to start an online store, Shopify is a strong contender. Last but not least, let's look at Weebly. Weebly is great for beginners due to its simplicity and ease of use. It may not have as many features as Wix or WordPress, but it's perfect for small, straightforward sites. Now that we've covered the platforms, let's talk about choosing the right one for you. Consider the purpose of your website. Are you selling products, showcasing a portfolio, or writing a blog? Your website's purpose will largely dictate the best platform for your needs. Budget is another crucial factor. While many platforms offer free plans, they come with limitations. Decide how much you're willing to invest in your website. Also, think about your technical comfort level. Do you want a platform that does everything for you, or do you prefer more control? Now, let's move on to the actual process of building your website. Building your website starts with selecting the right template. Templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize to your liking. Choose a template that aligns with the style and structure you envision for your site. Remember, the template sets the tone for your entire website. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Customization includes adding your own text, images, and branding elements. Most platforms offer easy-to-use tools for this purpose. You can change colors, fonts, and layout without any technical knowledge. Your website's content is what engages and informs your visitors. Make sure your text is clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. Use high-quality images that complement your text and add visual interest. Another critical aspect is navigation. Your site's navigation should be intuitive and straightforward. Menus should be easy to find and use, guiding visitors smoothly through your site. Now, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is crucial for making your website visible on search engines like Google. Most website builders include basic SEO tools. These tools help you optimize your site's title, descriptions, and keywords. SEO is a vast topic, but starting with the basics will set you on the right path. Mobile responsiveness is another key factor. Ensure your website looks good and functions well on mobile devices. Most modern website builders automatically create mobile responsive designs. Before you publish your site, it's important to test it thoroughly. Check for any broken links, typos, or formatting issues. Ask friends or colleagues to test it too and give feedback. Once you're satisfied, it's time to hit the publish button. Publishing your site is just the beginning. After your site is live, it's essential to monitor and update it regularly. Keep your content fresh and relevant to engage your audience. Updating your website can also positively impact your SEO. Now, let's delve into website analytics. Analytics tools help you understand your visitors' behavior. Most platforms offer integrated analytics or support tools like Google Analytics. These insights can guide you in optimizing your site and content strategy. Social media integration is another key aspect. Link your website to your social media profiles to increase reach and engagement. Many website builders make it easy to add social media buttons and feeds. Email marketing can also be a powerful tool. Collect email addresses on your site to keep your audience informed and engaged. Many platforms offer ways to integrate email marketing services. Let's not forget about website security. Ensure your platform provides security features to protect your site and visitors. This includes SSL certificates, which are crucial for any website. Now, a word about e-commerce functionality. If you're selling products, your platform should offer strong e-commerce features. This includes inventory management, payment processing, and customer service tools. Building a website is an ongoing process. Always be open to learning and adapting to new trends and technologies. Remember, your website is a reflection of you or your business. Make it a space that you're proud of and that serves your goals effectively. Let's talk about website scalability. As your website or business grows, your platform should be able to grow with you. Look for platforms that offer scalability, like increased bandwidth or advanced features. Another important aspect is customer support. Good customer support can be a lifesaver, especially if you're new to website building. Check what kind of support your platform offers, be it live chat, phone, or email. Now, let's discuss the importance of a good domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. It should be memorable, easy to spell, and reflective of your brand or content. Most website builders offer domain registration services. Alternatively, you can purchase a domain from a separate registrar. Remember to renew your domain name annually to keep your site up and running. Also, consider the loading speed of your website. A fast loading site improves user experience and SEO rankings. Optimize images and use efficient coding to keep your site speedy. Accessibility is another crucial factor. Ensure your website is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. This includes features like screen reader compatibility and keyboard navigation. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of feedback. Encourage your visitors to leave comments or fill out feedback forms. This feedback can provide valuable insights for improving your site. Building a website is both an art and a science. It requires creativity, technical knowledge, and a user-focused approach. In conclusion, creating a website in 2024 has never been more accessible. Choose the right platform based on your needs, technical skills, and budget. Customize your site to reflect your personal or brand identity. Remember, content is king. Keep it engaging, relevant, and updated. Optimize for SEO to increase your site's visibility and reach. Don't forget the importance of mobile responsiveness and fast loading times. Regularly monitor your site's performance through analytics. Integrate with social media and email marketing to broaden your audience. Prioritize security to protect your site and its visitors. Be mindful of scalability and customer support as your website grows. A memorable domain name can make a significant difference. Consider accessibility to ensure everyone can navigate your site. Feedback is a valuable tool for continuous improvement. Most importantly, stay adaptable and open to new trends and updates in web technology. Building a website is a journey, not just a one-time task. It's a space where your ideas, products, or services can truly come to life. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, the process is always evolving. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the creative process of building your online presence. Thank you for watching our guide on how to create a website in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, happy website building!